Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach the awning to the side of your car. On my Volkswagen Transporter T5 short wheelbase I have a Fiamma F35 Pro awning, and it's attached with two aluminium brackets which bolt into the existing roof rack mounting points, so no drilling and no gluing needed. And the set looks like this. We got two aluminium brackets, plus we got some brackets. They actually fit to the car into that roof rack mounting points, and then to them you attach those aluminium brackets. And now I'm gonna show you how to bolt it to the car. Don't forget about this rubber washer to prevent the water from coming into the car. Also, between the bodywork and the bracket we put the aluminium foam just to protect the paint from damaging, as those edges are sharp and they might damage the paintwork, which we don't want. Some people also put the glue in between the bracket and the body for extra protection, but we don't want to put the glue. We know it's an extra, it's an extra protection. However, we want to be able to take those brackets off at any time if we need it, and when you put the glue, then it's hard to take them off. Second bracket we fit into the 1, 2, 3, the third hole. Normally it's supposed to be fitted at the last hole, the fourth one in the short wheelbase. However, since we got the roof rack and we don't want to take it off, as we are planning to carry on the paddle boards, then we don't want to take it off, so we fitted the bracket here, and it's also fine. Also, we need to slide in two bolts. Those bolts are included in a set. We just slide them into the rail which is at the back of the awning. The last thing to do is just to secure the bolt I was sliding into that rail. And there is another one at the rear bracket. It's a 10mm nut. It won't have to be really tight. As you can see, it's nice and rigid. Those brackets are also available for other vehicles as well as other Awning models. So that's it in this video. If you like this video, be sure to leave the thumb up and also to subscribe our channel, as more videos will be coming soon. On our channel you can also find a separate video about this Awning. So see you in the next video.